What is up everyone, it's your bro back with the another video. In this video we're gonna be talking about some exciting news when it comes to the Confluence and when it comes to the user management within the spaces themselves. Actually not now, starting from the 20th of November, all of the users who actually have the standard, premium, and also the enterprise subscriptions of Confluence can actually sign up for the early access program, which is all about the Confluence roles. So this is actually pretty good. Why? Because with the roles themselves, we already know this from Jira, that the roles can actually get pretty scalable, which is actually a good thing. And all of those permissions that you're having currently within the Confluence, when it comes to all of those 14 check boxes for the permissions, they're all going to be replaced with the roles themselves. So how you actually do it, you choose the role in here. So when it comes to the roles, you will be presented with the four roles: the admin, the manager, collaborator, and the viewer. Now the thing is, since you're going to have the role in there, you're also going to be available to adjust these roles with the permissions that you want to add. But the whole idea of these roles is to have the compatible permissions for those roles. So for the admins, when they have managed space, people, and settings, they're going to have all of the permissions, including the exporting of the spaces of the space as well. Managers, so they're going to be able to manage people and the content. Collaborators, they will be able to add and de-edit the content. And the viewers, they are going to view the comment and the content and comment on that content as well. So the thing is that this change will be actually seen in both individual spaces and default space permissions. So you're going to have also these checkboxes are going to be present here as well, but they're not gonna be so messed up like they are currently, and there's going to be a much bigger structure. This really reminds when you're having a team managed project. Within that team managed project, you can specify your own roles, and when you specify those roles, you're going to be able to also define the permissions within those roles. That's one thing. The another thing is that there is going to be a automatic role assignment. So what happens is when this experience is live, all of the users whose current permissions map directly to one of the new roles will automatically be assigned with the role itself. So what actually this means that if someone was actually already having the admin permissions within the space, they were going to be having the administrator's role. Someone who is actually able to add the users to the space and to actually create the content and everything like that, they will be added with the manager role, and so on and so forth. And the thing is, all users whose permission don't directly match with the role will retain their permissions and be described as having the custom access. And you can also, what you can also do is you can switch these users to any role that you want at any time. And the thing is to assign roles to user classes to manage access at the scale. So what actually this could be? This could be that these classes, user classes, could be uh, like all of the Confluence users or all of the Confluence admins, regardless of the membership of a group. So these sit alongside user groups, and will start with no access by default. And what is actually pretty great, you can actually manage this from one screen, where you're going to have this users option available to you here, and from there you're going to start with adding the roles themselves. So the thing is that if you actually look a bit closer, it's going to have this type right here, and this type is defined like a user role, like all Confluence users or Confluence admins. There's going to be either a group, or the type is going to be a user. Just like almost in Jira, where you have this, where you can add the people, you can add the individual users, or you can add those users and add them as a group and assign them the actual role. So that is the idea, to implement this within the Confluence, which actually creates more administrative structure, that it's going to be really different than what we're actually having right now. So that is going to be a great change. All right, so that is going to be one of the changes that is upcoming for the Confluence. Stay tuned for the more content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.